Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your username on chess.com. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access your particular browser, go to chess.com and access your chess, get into this particular interface and tap on the settings icon that will be given on top right corner of the screen, and tap on this profile on afterwards. Now you're going to access your profile, right? You can see your display name, your username just right over there, right? You can tap on this username here in this, and then you find this option called change beside it. Tap on it. Now go ahead, enter that username of yours over here and tap on the save option afterwards, and you can see your username must be at least 3 characters, etc. It is asking for, you can go ahead, choose anything until it lets you complete. Once these letters don't appear, you can tap on the save, right? And then you can see, please note, username can be changed to more than once every 90 days. So within 90 days you cannot change it again. After 90 days you can again change your chess.com's username just like that. Once you have tapped on save, your username will be changed. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.